Morning children. Today we are going to start a new chapter more about pivot stick figures. You learn about more about pivot stick figures. Now adding figures. Now here in pivot stick figures we can add figures. To make an animation interesting and interactive, it requires you to add more objects to the figures to the animation. Children, to make an animation interesting and interactive, we need to add more objects to the animation. Now how can we add the figures to the animation? We'll see. Figures can be added by adding the same figure. We can add same figure, loading one from existing library by creating new one. Now we will learn how to add the figure. Click add figure button. The figure will be added at the center of the frame. You can move it by using orange handle. Children, I'll show you how to add the figure. Now, you all know how to open pivot window, children? Yes. Now click the add figure button. You can see here add figure. Click on add figure. When you click on add figure, select the figure, click add figure. Now you can see figure has been added. By using this orange origin, you can move it so that you can see the figure has been added at the center of the screen. By using add figure button, we can add the figure at the center of the screen. Now we will learn loading one from the existing library. To load the figure from the existing library, click the file menu. Load figure type option. Click load figure type option. A new window will open. Now children, you can see a file menu. When you click the file menu, a new window will open. Open window will open. In the open window, you can see the options. You can select the option. Now I'll show you. Go to file menu. File menu. Then click load figure type. You can see children here load figure type option. A new window will open with the list of figures. Open window. When you click on new option, you can see open window dialog box will open. From the dialog box, you can see the list of figures. Select the figure. Now we want elephant. You can see here elephant, children. Select elephant and click open. In this way we can open the figure from the library. Now edit figure. What do you mean by edit figure, children? To edit the stick figure, select the figure. Click on edit figure option. Then it will display a stick figure builder window. And modify the figures by using the buttons available on the left side of the window. You can edit the stick figure and you can save it. Children, now we will learn how to edit the figure. What do you mean by editing? Editing is nothing but making changes in the figure. Go to now we will learn how to edit. To edit, you have to open the window. Then you can see here, children, here in figure control box, you can see edit figure. This is edit figure. When you select edit figure, you can see stick figure builder window. What is this window known as? Stick figure builder window. By using this, you can edit the figure and make changes in the figure. Now here, by using these options on the left side of the window, we can make changes in the figure. Now we will learn about these buttons. to create modify your figures by using the buttons available at the left side of the window. The buttons are available are first one, toggle segment key. What do you mean by toggle segment key? Toggle segment is in blue between the lines and the circles. Part can only be added to the red dot. Now children, I'll show you. Now I want to delete the figure. Now we are going to learn about toggle segment. What is this toggle segment, children? If there is a line, you can change it to the circle. By toggle segment, you can change it to segment. Again, if I select toggle segment, it changes to the line. If there is a circle, it changes to line. If there is a line, it changes to the circle. Now we will learn about adding line. What do you mean by adding line? Adds a line segment to the existing segment. Now children, in the last class we have learned what are segments. Segments are the dots, red handles. Yes. Now if you want to add a line, select the add line button. Then you can add a line to the segment. Segments are nothing but the red dots. To the red dot we can join the line. Now if I want to add one more line, go to add line, then join to the segment. Now you, by this way you can add the lines to the segments. Now add circle. Add a circle segment. Add circle segment is used to add the line to the segment. Add circle segment. Add a circle segment to the existing segment. Now children, to the existing segment we can add circle. How to add a circle? Now I'll show you. Now here already we have added a line to the segment. Now I will add a circle. To add a circle, click on add circle button. Now join to the segment. Now you can see children, I have joined the circle to the segment. I have added circle to the segment. By using the circle option we can add circle to the segment. Is that clear, children? Now we will learn change segment thickness. What do you mean by change segment thickness? Change the line thickness of the segment. Now we can change the line thickness of the segment. Now I will show you. Now here already we have inserted the circle over here. We have added the circle. Now I'll show you. I'll show you the how to change the thickness of the selected segment. Now we have selected this segment. Then up arrow is used to increase the thickness of the segment. Down arrow is used to decrease the size of the segment. Now by using up arrow and down arrow we can increase. By using up arrow you can increase, down arrow decrease the size of the segment, thickness of the segment. By up arrow you can increase the thickness of the segment. By down arrow you can decrease the size of the thickness. Duplicate. Now we are going to learn duplicate segment. Duplicate a segment so that it has identical length and thickness. Now I'll show you children what do you mean by duplicate. Now here you can see a duplicate over here. Duplicate segment. When you select the duplicate segment, whichever the segment you have selected, you will get the duplicate of the segment. Now I'll select this circle. Now you can see a duplicate copy of that. Yes, now I select this line. I want the line to be duplicated. You can see a line has been duplicated over here. Now I can add it to this. Okay children, in this way you can duplicate copy by using duplicate segment. Now we are going to learn about delete segment. What we are going to learn? Delete segment. Delete segment, delete the selected segment. Segments can only be deleted if they have no other segments attached to the endpoint. Now I'll show you how to delete the segment. Now I want to delete this segment. Select Select the segment and click into button. The selected segment will be deleted by using delete segment option. Children, with this we'll stop it here. In the next class we'll continue. Thank you, children.